Hi, my name is Amira Albagshi, and I'm sharing my research with you today. I have conducted a mixed method research to study students' attitude toward people with disabilities. And the purpose of my study was an attempt to help the inclusion that face some challenges with students' negative attitude in classrooms. So that's where my study came from, to help and support the inclusion. I conducted the study with 42 participants in grades 3 to 8 in one of the private schools here in the US. I used the mixed method design to have qualitative and quantitative data based on the focus group and survey that called CATCH. I analyzed the data and I have the result, and it was interesting to see the difference between the two data sets. For example, for the quantitative data, there was a little bit of increase in the students' positive attitude toward people with disabilities. So it wasn't that big of a difference, but there was like a partial increase. So then we came to the qualitative data to see what's going on. And it was really interesting to see how students think and understand about people with disabilities. And you will see here in the note, I have two direct quotes from the participants. One of them said, well, I thought they were sad and they're left out and they don't have any friends, but they actually have friends. And the other one said, well, they are just like people like us. They may look different, they may act different, but they are just like us. So this came after they watched the videos, the person-centered video, which presented people with disabilities. And I have here some pictures from those videos about people with disabilities acting and living their daily life with the challenges. So participants found that, they can do a lot of stuff that we typically people cannot do. For example, you can see this boy in the picture. He can write his name. He can do his homework with his feet. And my participants tried to do that. They couldn't do it. And it was really interesting to see like the wow and like on their eyes and how they expressed that and how they felt that we didn't know that. And that's really come to the conclusion that our students don't know what people with disabilities can or cannot do. They just assume that they can't do because they are either sitting in a wheelchair or they need help with doing stuff. But they actually need to learn that they are able and capable of doing stuff. And that's a really great finding of my study. Thank you.